find and replace. So in Excel, let's assume you are dealing with a large quantity of data, and in a way you notice there's some inconsistency or some names are not properly written. Maybe you are having an error and you can't just be going to each of the data and retyping those corrected uh, number or name that you know. Then what can you do is you do find and replace. So let's check our data here. If you check the data in column K, you will notice the fact that we have Nigeria, which is correctly spelled. We have Nigeria, which is correctly spelled, but in uppercase. You have Nigeria, which is not correctly spelled. We have Nigeria, which is also not correctly spelled. We have Naira, which is not Nigeria, but a currency for referring to Nigeria. Also, we have Niger. We have Niger. We have Nigeria, and we have Nigeria. Now, let's check. What do we want? We want our text to be only Nigeria. The first one, the first cell. The first cell seems to be the correct one. Not now, others also are correct. Like the second cell is correct, more in uppercase. So what can we do? So you highlight the column, the affected column, then you go to find and replace. Now you will see find and select here. Now you go to your application layer. So you go to your home tab here, where you're going to see the menu, then the find and select menu. Then you choose find. You can either choose find or you can choose replace. So let's choose find. Now find brings us to bring out this mark. Now here you're going to intuit what you are going to look for. Now you want it to look forward to. Okay, you want to find something in this particular column. So in this particular column, I want to find something. So let's say I want to find, let me start with something that is much. Nigeria. Nigeria. So I want to find Nigeria. So what will I do? If you want to find every 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 entry that has Nigeria, then you do find all. If you want to have the entry one after the other that have this content, this text, then you go to find next. So for now, I want to have all the content that have all the rows that has this particular content. Then I'll do find all. So if you check, we only have two cells that has Nigeria. Now the cell K5 and the cell K10. If you check your name box here, you notice the moment I'm moving this, you notice the name box is changing. So how do we now replace? Then you click on this place. Now you can see find, you can see replace. Then you replace with the right letter, Nigeria. Then how do we do it? You go to replace all. Then you replace. So to bring out the prompt and info that are all done. We have made two replacements. Good. So let's do for others too. So for others, then we'll do the same. Error, then find and replace. Boom. Nigeria in capital, find and replace. What again? Niger, find and replace. So if you notice, after our few sections of doing find and replace, our column is well set. So that is that about find and replace.